Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Today I'm bringing you my IPSY Ultimate for the month of May. Is it crazy to everybody else that May is already well in progress? I feel like it was just March. I don't know what happened to April. I have no idea, but I am excited to go ahead and unbox this with you. I am using some new backdrops. I'm using a new editing software, so I'm trying to step it up for you guys. Please make sure that you are subscribed if you're here. I do a ton of unboxings every month, but I have so many other types of videos as well. Right now, YouTube is not sending out the notifications, and I don't know, I have been hidden. I've been put into a box in a hole and buried underground. YouTube has decided my videos are not there and nobody needs to see them. And if you do want to see my videos, some type of interaction helps a lot in terms of videos being seen for you guys. So if you want to see them, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, one, both, whatever you feel like doing, and that will help a lot to make sure that my videos show up to you guys and hopefully to others. Okay, so that was my little plea. Let's get into the unboxing. So as you guys probably know, IPSY Ultimate is $50 a month. This is their biggest box, hence the name Ultimate. So it will give you 8 full-size, 4 deluxe size samples. You get to choose a product every month, and it is a $250 plus value. So I'm excited to see what we got for the month. The little card says IPSY Get That Glow, and it really just tells you all about highlighters and stuff. So I'm curious if I have a card in here with values. I don't think I have a card in here with prices. That's kind of a bummer. I really like to know right up front what the cost is, that kind of thing. I'm a little sad about that. But let's go ahead and get into the assortment we got here. So our bag looks like this. I like the ombre effect. These are not my favorite colors together though. I don't know, I'm sure plenty of people will like this, but not my favorite bag. I have been loving their bags though. This month and last month I'm not too crazy about them, but every other month, for several months before that, I've really loved the bags. But it's got a really nice size, and it's got a cute little yellow lining in it as well. The tassel's this peachy color. So I don't know, I'm not loving that color combo altogether, but what do you guys think? I'm sure many people will enjoy their bags. First item I'm really excited about, this is the CEO C+E Micro Dissolve Cleansing Oil from Sunday Riley. So this looks like a really cool product. I'm using a lot of Sunday Riley right now. I like their Autocorrect Eye, Good Genes, Luna, A+. So many of their products I've already incorporated into my routine in the past and currently. So I'm very excited for this. It has vitamin C, turmeric, and lime pearl extract. Oh, now this I actually used my IPSY points to get. This is the Confidence in a Cleanser from IT Cosmetics. If you guys don't know, if you're using IPSY, you can review all the products in your boxes and get points for that, and then you can redeem your points for products. All right, next up is DERMEDICINE Weightless Face Moisturizer SPF 25. This is the packaging right here. This one I'm not familiar with. I have not heard of this brand. It sounds good though, Weightless Face Moisturizer. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen. It's got sage leaf, grape stem cells, green tea, and vitamin E. So this is moisturizer SPF all in one. It sounds really nice. I'm kind of keen to give it a try. I always make sure to wear SPF. I just tend to carry with me a setting spray or a facial spray that has SPF in it so that I can reapply. I really like the Seriously Fab ones. They're setting sprays, but they feel super light, and that way you refresh your sunscreen and you know you're protected. All right, this next one is from St. Tropica Beach Goddess Hot Oil Hair Mask. Has biotin and hair superfood. Okay, never heard of this one either. Ew. Wow, that smells like straight up coconut oil. Okay, so ingredients. First ingredient is virgin coconut oil, then it has biotin. I don't know. Personally, I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this. I don't know. That seems kind of heavy for my hair in particular. It says you can microwave it in a mug. Put the tube in the mug with the lid off. That's interesting. You can heat it in a kettle. You can use on your hair and scalp. I don't know about this one personally. I may give this to my mom. She has curly hair and it's coarser. My hair is so fine, baby fine, that I'm very careful what oils I put in it, because my hair can look greasy and flat as hell. So I don't know. Another product that I haven't heard of, but I'm not really keen on this one. That's okay though. We've got a lot of products in here, obviously. We also got from SMASHBOX. This is the Covershot Ablaze eye palette. I actually do have this one. I just put all my palettes into my little mystery wheel thing. I'll go ahead and pop that video up if you want to see that one. The mystery wheel picked all the colors of eyeshadow I was going to use, but I'll give you guys a little peek at the palette. This one is really pretty if you like more of a simple warm tone eye look. If I didn't have this, I would be happy to get it, so not at all a bad product to receive. What's next? This is from She Was an Anomaly, Libre d'Orange. So this is a decent little size sample. I'm sure this is a deluxe sample. It could be those little super tiny ones, so this is not bad. Let me spray it. Please be good. Oh, that's actually nice. I can't really describe this one. It's like maybe a little fruity and a little sweet, but like musky. I don't know. I'm really bad at describing fragrances. It's definitely different. Like, it is an anomaly, you know? Okay, I like it. Whatever it is, I like it. Next up, we've got something from Sugar Rush, which is that little Tarte brand. This is called Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick. I've not tried anything from their Sugar Rush brand, so I am kind of keen to see what this is like. The packaging is like that kind of like a rubberized material, reminds me of NARS packaging. It feels very light and like whipped almost, so I think this might be a great texture of liquid lipstick. It's a pretty color too, kind of similar to what I have on my lips right now, maybe a little different, but I'm excited to try this out and see what this brand is like, what they're all about. Next up, a little bitty guide. This is Invigorating Hand and Body Lotion, Sweet Orange and Elemi, Way of Will. I guess that's the brand name. Oh, it reminds me of, I had a body wash that was like an orange oil. It smelled really good. It kind of smells like that. Very citrusy. Oh wow, it got like stronger as I rubbed it in. Okay, so like a citrusy hand and body lotion. I don't really like the idea of having a hand and body lotion in a bottle like this. I feel like eventually you gotta be like slapping it out of there. I don't know, not a very good packaging for a lotion in my opinion. Like a tube you can squeeze out, whereas this, I don't know about this. This is different. Next we got something from In Beauty Project. I think I actually have this one. This is their Glaze #1 lip oil. Their packaging's really cool looking, and I do really like the product. I'll show you what it looks like. I don't know if I'll hold on to this as a backup or not. Okay, I grabbed mine, so I'm just gonna put this back in the box, but I really like it. I'm gonna throw a little bit on, but it's just like a really cute, like glazy lip oil. Great description, basically the name. But it's like fruity, juicy lips. It's really cute. And I have a setting spray by them that I really like too. Some liquid lips will do okay with an oil on top. Some absolutely will not. So we'll see if this falls apart in a minute. Oh, I actually think I used my points for this as well. This is the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment for hair. I tried their shampoo and conditioner and I liked it, so I figured I could try this out too. Bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment. I feel like this one's a lighter texture, so I'm probably gonna try this one out and give the other one to my mom. I just feel like she'd get more use out of the other one. I like the smell of theirs. It's very fresh. Next up, we got the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. This is Pink Sands. I'm fairly certain I have this one, and her highlighting palettes I don't reach for a lot, just to be honest, but it is really pretty. So there are the shades. I'll have to either like put this in a giveaway or give this to a friend because they are nice highlighters. I don't know, for whatever reason, it's just not one that I reach for all the time. This is from SKONE Tattooed Mini Waterproof Eyeliner. I'm just gonna look at the tip and see if I wanna, oh no, I'm not gonna try this out. I am just not a big fan of these like chunkier felt tip liners. I mean, it comes to a decent point, but I'm pretty set with like what eyeliners I really like. And I find that I like brush tips better than felt tips personally. So I'm not gonna waste it. I'm just gonna give that to somebody else who can use it. Next up, this is from Sundays. There's a lot in here that I've like never heard of. Oh, this is a pretty color. So this is nail polish and it's tin-free, non-toxic, vegan and cruelty-free. That's pretty cool. So this one I'm excited about to try, even though I've never ever heard of it. I am pretty keen to try this. It looks like a really pretty color to have on your nails, like very chic and sophisticated. And I like that it's non-toxic. I don't think I have any nail polishes that are non-toxic. So yeah, I'll try this out, and I really should like kind of make the switch eventually to non-toxic nail polish, because why not? I have so much though that, you know, I don't want to throw it out and waste it, but I am keen to try this out and I'll definitely be wearing it soon. All right, so I think this is the last item. This is Pure Heals Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask. No ma'am. These are just not for me. I'm just gonna be honest. I don't know, this could be different, but I did my Boscia peel off mask one time and was like, nope, never again. Some peel off masks are good, but some are just pointless to me. And I feel like the charcoal ones just do nothing. Like they absorb surface oil and either take off nothing or they take off an entire 3 layers of skin. I'm just not excited about this one, I'm gonna be honest. But that's what the packaging looks like. I will give this to somebody who will enjoy it. I'm sure some people will, but I'm good. I'm good, you know what I'm saying? This one is a Korean brand, I believe, made in Korea. I love trying Korean beauty, but I'm just not into the peel off mask, so you know. Okay, so let's go through really quick and let's talk about these full size items. So right off the bat, we know we got our charcoal mask, we got a hot oil hair mask, we got our Smashbox palette, the CEO oil, the Weightless face moisturizer. We also got the In Beauty Project lip glaze, the Huda beauty palette, which I have to say I think is a really good item to get. And then I'm assuming that our Sunday's nail polish is the 8th full-size product. I think this is full-size too. So maybe we got 9 full-size this time. It's a pretty good assortment. I guess we got 9 full-size and 3 deluxe samples. The lotion, the fragrance, and then the eyeliner were deluxe sizes. I think everything else, like I don't know if any of the other products would be considered deluxe sizes or not, but I think that they're full sizes. I just wish I had had like some card or something to tell you guys, you know, about all my goodies. I like this box more than I thought I would. When I saw like the spoilers of some of the brands and products, I was like, I don't know about this one. I can honestly say if I didn't have a couple of these products already, I would be super excited. I feel like these 3 products alone would be very exciting for me to get for $50. I mean, a highlighting palette, CEO oil, which I'm sure is not cheap, the In Beauty Project lip oil, which I think was around like 18 if I remember correctly. So even with these, I would be super stoked to get everything. I think I will enjoy the Sugar Rush liquid lip as well. The fragrance smells nice. It probably wouldn't be something I would pick up for myself, but I do think that I like the scent of it. The nail polish is cute too. So several things that I'm excited about and I would enjoy getting. The Covershot palette too, which I forgot. So yeah, if I didn't have a few of these things, I think this would be a really exciting box. And I think for a lot of people, this is going to be a good one. If you got the ultimate, let me know what you got that was like your favorite item, or if you didn't, then what do you think about my box? There's enough in here that makes me really happy and excited, and I love being able to film these videos for you guys and unbox with you. That's like my favorite video to film, so I hope you guys enjoy them as well, and I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up if you like these unboxings. Hopefully that will keep them showing up for you guys. I will have various unboxings over the next week or so. Everything that I get for the month I will unbox for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye!